Hello everyone. Question that we'll be searching for an answer to in this video. Best action to take now. What you need to do now will be revealed in this video. Okay, so we are considering IPC latest update in this video. So before I proceed, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment, to let you know about fraudulent or suspicious online investment so that you won't fall victim into such. And also I use it as a medium to share with you my ways whereby I have been generating online money. Okay, for that reason, if you are in the edge of entering a particular online investment platform and you are contemplating maybe to join or not, just do yourself the favor of forwarding the platform to me for a review, and I promise you my sincere recommendation. Okay, so for that reason, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next update. All right, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now and share with your friends and family. All right, so once again, what you are considering is IPC latest update, Intelligence Prime Capital latest update, and the question is our money gone? So for that reason, I will be going to my web to the platform. I'll be going to the platform for some information right there. Right, so this is the platform here, so it's loading. So let me go back. Okay, sorry, I will need to pause this video so that I can input my login detail. All right, so welcome back. I have successfully logged into my dashboard on IP Capital IPC. For some weeks ago, we have been given some updates upon updates about the current situation in IPC. The first one that we received was the sacking of some workers, for some staff of IPC. So after that, we were informed that the company was hacked and like 80% of the money was stolen away. And right now, after then, we are told that they were working tirelessly on how to restore the site, on how to make sure that everything is going on smoothly. And we were asked for like a month, that is throughout this month, the month of April, so that everything will come back to normal, so that we continue with the daily activities, with the trading activities on, and start making our money as it was before. And as we can see that even in our MT4 app, we can see the series of trading activities that is going on there, which shows that this company, they are back and they are still working tirelessly to make sure that everything is in place. So let me take you to the MT4 to show some trades that is going on, and it's proved to us that the master C bot that was introduced before the scenario of the site. So it shows that it is working effectively. You can see all the trades for today. The trades for today has earned me $19.37. You can see, and it's Bitcoin is traded against US dollar, and I've made $19.37 for today alone. So it shows that the bot is really working effectively. But the issue of the withdrawal transfer is still pending, and cancelled withdrawal. So we are still waiting in anticipation for the completion updates in IPC so that everything can go back to normal. So Ever since, we have been receiving daily reports, we've been receiving announcement upon announcement, and the latest one is what I'm about to share with you now about the IP cloud. So let's go to the to the announcement so that I can explain to you. Okay, let's check the latest announcement, which was 28th for 2022. All right, so what we have here is this IPC token sale. So 3 days left, 23 April 2022. Are you ready? So this is some of the development of IPC to make sure that the company bounce back to its feet, and it's an opportunity for you to maximize your income. This is IPC token. Don't forget, every cryptocurrency, they were first launched during their ICO. Okay, when they were very, very small in price. All right, so now IPC tokens, as I said earlier, many cryptocurrencies out there, they were first introduced during their ICO, that is initial coin offering, and something similar is happening right now. So I would like you to maximize this potential. That is, you should try as much as possible to key into it. For instance, when Binance was launched in 2017, during the ICO, it was sold below $1. I think below 10 cents. But right now, Binance Coin BNB is above $400. So this can be another BNB in disguise. This can be another Bitcoin in disguise. This can be another Ethereum in disguise. So just take your time, buy, no matter how small it is. Make sure that you you key into this, buy the little that you can buy and keep. Okay, excuse me. So IPC token sale, it will start on the 23rd of April 2022. So that is 3 days time, or let's say 2 days time. Okay, so that is one of the information that we have. IPC token. So let's check for other information. Right, so the much anticipated IPC token launch is here. So is like the continuation of that. So the name of the token is IPC, and the hard cap is 2,600,000. The total supply is 2,600,000. The total token supply is 500,000 IPC token. So 500 excuse me, 500. So the total supply is 500 IPC, and the total tokens allocated to the IEO is 40 million. Total token supply is 500 million, and the total tokens allocated is 40 million IPC. 8% of total token supply, and as time goes, there will be coin burning. Okay, so get ready to grab your IPC token soon. The much anticipated token is here. So as I said earlier, this is an opportunity for you to have cryptocurrency assets. So nobody knows how much it can cost, how much it can worth in the nearest future. So just buy the little you can buy, and then hold on, keep it. Okay, so IPC is moving into cryptocurrency based on this announcement. Is moving into cryptocurrency. So and they are planning to list it on major exchange sites. They are planning to list it on PancakeSwap and other major cryptocurrency exchange sites around the world. So that is a great development from them. And also on the 19th of April, we have another announcement which says, "Dear users, IP Capital is excited to announce the launch of IB Cloud's native token, the IPC token. The tokens will be first made available to our users via an initial exchange offering on the current IP Capital member portal, and users will need to use IUSD, IP Capital stablecoin, to participate in token sale. Following the token sale listed on the centralized exchange, following PancakeSwap, and made available to the general public to trade." So They are making use of IUSD, which is IPC stablecoin, so that it can stabilize the amount of the token, so that it won't give rise to any form of pump or dump. Okay, so you can see it is in three phases. The phase one is from 23rd, is on 23rd to 12 p.m. The phase two is on the 24th 12 p.m. and phase three on the 25th of April. Ipc Token listing is on Pancake Swap Dex. So for users who are unable to participate in the token, fret not, as this issue will be solved with the imminent launch of our IP Cloud app. Users will be able to stake their assets in IP Capital's very own decentralized crypto wallet and earn IPC tokens. Alternatively, users can also stake their assets on Pancake Swap. The IPC token will also be listed on a number of decentralized exchanges to increase its liquidity and utility. This way, even non-members can gain exposure to IPC token through DeFi activities and can be introduced to the IP Capital platform and IP Cloud wallets in a non-intrusive but effective manner. As always, we seek to continuously improve our system and improve the best for our users. Thank you for your cooperation and support. So this is from IPC. So it shows that they are working tirelessly behind the door to make sure that everything comes back to normal. So there's no need to panic. There's no need to be to be in panic. So let's just hold on to the completion of all these projects, and I believe that they will surely come out better and stronger. So our trade is still going on as it is as usual on our MT4 platform, as we can see earlier. So let's just keep open, and let's raise our hope, and let's pray for the successful of these developments, so that we can go back to our winning days with IPC. So don't be distracted and don't be in panic. Our money is secured, is safe, and everything will surely come back to normal. All right, so that is all about Intelligence Primary Capital. And for the question which was asked in the beginning of this video, that is our money gone? No, our money is not gone. And now, what is now the best action to take? So as ever since I've been giving updates, ever since I've been making videos on YouTube, especially on financial education, I used to tell my viewers, my subscribers, that it is the best method for you on any financial platform is to diversify. You need to diversify your income. You need to have multiple sources of income, multiple streams of income. All right, there's nothing bad in having IPC, doing IPC, and doing another things that can bring you money on daily basis. For that reason, I'll be introducing you to a platform whereby you can generate money daily. You can earn 3% of your capital on daily basis, and I personally have been making money in this platform on daily basis. The name of the platform is COTP. COTP is an acronym for cryptocurrency over the counter platform. So here they trade cryptocurrency and USDT, to be precise. So the system sells at higher price and buys at lower price for you. And though it is not, you are not the one trading, but it is an arbitrage trading. So for you to do that, you need to have an account. You deposit. So just check the description of this video. You are going to see the registration link to this COTP. Then run through the registration processes and make sure that you keep your login details securely and safe. Then you need to deposit. After you have deposited, then you come here to the transaction hall and you click on immediate competition for orders. So when you click on it, so the system will scan, it will search for high priced orders for you. So and you'll be linked up with a buyer. All right, so I have been linked up with a buyer here. So then I will click on sell. I will click on sell. So let's wait for the completion. So then I will click on confirm. So I make sure that all the money in the wallet balance is exhausted or is less than $5, so that I can have the full 3% of my capital. Searching for high price orders for you. Do not close the web page. Wait patiently. Okay, I've been linked up with another buyer. Okay, sell. Okay, confirm. Immediate competition for orders again. Sell. Confirm. Click on it again. So it will be repeated on the until the wallet balance is lesser than 5. Okay, confirm again. So I still have 8.56 there, so I can still go one more time. So confirm. Okay, now I have lesser than $5, so it won't go. The balance is lower than 5. So right now, the money is now in a transaction, so I will need to come back in the next 2 hours. So it will be completed in approximately 2 hours, and all the money will be returned to the wallet balance with the profit. So I can start another trading session again. As you can see, I'm not the one trading, but I'm the one to initiate the trade. The system is one that will do the trading on my behalf. So that is how it goes. Okay, so that is how it goes. And right now I have 347 in a transaction, and in the next 2 hours, everything will return to the wallet balance, and I can withdraw everything at any time, provided I have it in my wallet balance. So that is how to go about it. You can make 3% of your of your capital in daily basis, and in a month you can make more than 100% of your capital. So this is how I have been making money online aside IPC. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. If you have any questions concerning this video or any of the content on LASOJENIC BIZZTALk, then don't hesitate to ask. Use the comments section of this video, and just try as much as possible to obey the community rules. And if you I will answer your questions as soon as possible, immediately I receive it. So, and let me know your views about this video. If you have any information you would like to share with me, it is highly welcome. All right, thanks so much for watching this video, and meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.